How to preserve night mode camera setting in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera and then swipe up, and here you can see no night mode option here. Then simply stay your hand here and you can see the night mode icon, and click, and here you increase or decrease night mode, and night mode will be removed, will be appeared. And then go back to home screen and open settings and go in camera settings and click on preserve settings. Here you can see night mode option. If you turn this button off, then turn this button on to preserve the night mode setting rather than automatically resetting night mode. So this is the way to preserve night mode setting in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.